Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to decrypt files with Cryptomator step by step. It's important to know that Cryptomator decrypts your files automatically whenever you unlock your vault. You don't need a separate decrypt button because the process happens seamlessly in the background. So let's get started. First, open Cryptomator on your Windows PC, Mac, or Linux computer. Wait for the application to load, then locate the encrypted vault that contains the files you want to access. If the vault isn't listed, click Add Existing Vault and browse to its location. Next, select the vault and click Unlock. Enter your vault password carefully, then click Unlock again. If the password is correct, Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder, depending on your operating system. Now open the mounted vault using File Explorer on Windows, Finder on macOS, or your preferred file manager on Linux. I mean, all of your files will appear in their normal, readable form because Cryptomator decrypts them automatically while the vault is unlocked. If you want an unencrypted copy of a file, simply copy or move it from the unlocked vault to another folder outside the vault on your computer. The copied file will no longer be protected by Cryptomator, so be sure to store it in a secure location if it contains sensitive information. When you're finished viewing or editing your files, return to the Cryptomator application and click Lock Vault. This immediately closes the mounted drive and resecures your encrypted data so it can't be accessed without your password. And that's it. You now know how to decrypt files with Cryptomator by unlocking your vault and safely accessing or exporting your encrypted data whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next